Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dear Life. So in this video we will be going to learn about 3 important energizer. So if you are a trainer, if you are a facilitator or if you are an educator, this video is going to be very helpful to you. Many times we conduct session, either face-to-face session as well as on the virtual platform. The important thing is to bring the attention of the participants. If you have not seen my previous video, that was especially on icebreakers. So when you are about to begin the session, we use icebreakers, and in this video I will be sharing with you 3 important energizers. So energizers are why they are important and what are the energizers. Energizers are the different activity which you conduct in between the session to bring all the participants on one platform. Say for example, you are conducting a session for 2 hours or 1 hour, and in between this you give breaks to the people, and once people comes back after the break, they need to be done with the energizer. So these energizers will be very helpful to bring energy into your session. So first of all, if you are a trainer, there should be energy into you. So whatever activity you conduct into the session, in between the session as an energizer, you should be completely transformer in terms of the energy, full of energy, so that it is all about transmitting the energy to the participants. An important thing here, when you conduct these energizers, take very important precaution that about the timeline. So it should not happen that this should really go beyond the time limit and it should really consume the time for the actual session. So make sure that you conduct that special activity as an energizer, and this activity should be aligned with the topic or the important message which you really wanted to communicate. For an example, if you are conducting a session on the attrition, and then for the attrition you can begin with the energizer that, hi everyone, I would like to understand your thought within 30 seconds. What do you think about the attrition, how we can stop or reduce the attrition in our organization? So let people think about their own thoughts. So if you are conducting like that, so make sure that the topic which you have chosen, that topic should align with your energizer. So at the end of this activity, you will be able to understand what people are thinking about this, so that you can prepare accordingly. So my first energizer, which I'm sharing with you now, is the most important one, that 30-second thoughts. So let people share about the thoughts within 30 seconds. So if you are conducting a session for 10 people or 15 people, and then this will going to be complete within a stipulated time. Number 2, what is your secret? Share about one secret about each and every one those who are there as a participant or learner in the group, and then share about one secret and make sure that other people will get the answer right. So give them some clue, give them some guess, so that other people will understand regarding whom you are talking about. So the third important energizer, let people share about their achievement. So any achievement, and make sure that they should not share more than one. So when they share about their achievement, appreciate them and make sure that other people also applaud for them. And this will going to create a lot of energy in the session. So friends, hope these all 3 energizers are useful to you. So next time whenever you plan your session with a lot of energy, a lot of energizer and the icebreakers, and make your session very impactful and effective. So next time whenever participants learn about your session, they are very much eager to come into your session. Wish you all the best. Thank you.